Oh, Jesus Christ. Relax. Drogo, you could teach her to be normal.
No, she's too crazy.
Look, Drogo's leaning on me. See, look at the POV.
Wow.
Close to it and then no one can come close to you.
I never heard that in this one.
I'm just gonna get one more. I'll give you a box. Go. Second gear? Like down?
No, never.
Okay, good.
Unless it's like very specific situation.
Yeah.
There's an accident when I was on my way to my interview, and then we were all like just creeping to exit the highway because someone like smashed directly into the.
And then they didn't know what I was talking about.
Oh. Yeah, those are really insane.
The thing is that they will wear out eventually.
Yeah, of course.
Yours is probably getting dull already.
It's still, compared to like just a regular box cutter though, it doesn't get like stuck or caught up.
Yeah, it just goes through. I don't have to be behind you, man.
That's what people always do. I don't know why they go.
Well, they don't understand that they have to get the speed to make it easy.
Yeah.
They're being safe, which is fine. The thing is though, if you're not going the same speed as the flow of the river, then you're gonna be an obstruction in the river. And this is what people do all the time, and I don't understand it.
All we usually do is just go like 60 and create a massive like gap between us, and then I just go.
Aggressively behind that girl. Have you checked your tires? How's the wear on the tires?
Just like side of the road vehicles right now. Just because it got bad, I guess. Forgot how to drive.
Oh, it feels good. It's still on the other side. Like, come on. This is a turning lane, not that.
Still busy here all the time.
Yeah. Oh my god, it's so busy here.
Still like a lineup to get parking here. Oh no, Peeler's parking on the side.
This is like driving in Philippines. There you go. Oh, here. Yeah, like the honey butter stuff. Okay. This is what I'm kind of looking for, this kind of stuff. What's the difference? Sweet honey flavor. Yeah, maybe. I missed this. I remember seeing the Doritos and the Lay's stuff. Maple syrup Canada. Interesting. Chili, sweet. Corn chip. Yeah, like this kind of stuff. Yeah, I don't know. This kind of stuff's getting me. Hi, you good? Sorry. We have more. Oh, you already ate, right? Get some.
Hello, this one? Hello.
Yes, thank you.
Okay. Hello, may I have you?
Can I get 6 Portuguese? Yeah.
一等了。要一盒葡萄。对，谢谢。Thank you every day。一盒葡萄。
Okay, 6. I love these things. So good. We should get some pandesal too. Get some pandesal.
Hello, Portuguese card.
Thank you.
Thank you for today.
I don't have one of these. This is for my. Look at those, Nate. What the hell is that? Oh, those geoducks. Yeah, those are expensive. Jesus. Your grandpa used to eat this all the time. I don't know. Yeah, no. I think these are just like the regular ones.
Like from live and you cook it and sell it.
Oh yeah, 100%. I don't think they're really.
That's okay. No bags.
You have keys for the car? Yeah. Yeah, they're like 300 horsepower as well. So busy. just keep your eyes open. We'll see what's up later. Actually, I should have went down handy. What am I doing? Tell you when you might be able to expect a call back?
Just a week from then.
Oh, okay. I buy some Portuguese. Where's Drogo? And where's Janelle? What?
He's downstairs with his friend.
Uh-oh. I smell a different stink, so it must be a different dog. Can I open it? Oopsie. Whoa, hey, crazy dog. Drogo, help me. I can actually smell the difference of this dog. Mm-hmm. Hey, Drogo. Hey. Hey. Whoa, relax. Why, are you babysitting or something?
Yeah, I'm gonna drop it off soon.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Relax. Drogo, you could teach her to be normal.
No, she's too crazy.
Look, Drogo's leaning on me.
Ellie, no, you don't jump.
See, look at the POV.
Wow.
Stupid dogs.
She's so crazy.
Yeah, too much.
Oh yeah, I got the fog lights as well.
You installed them?
No.
That's why they basically made it illegal. Because that's why my Integra jumped off the thing. I told you the story, right? Logo, yeah. This works. This is interesting. Hopefully I don't get into an accident. Other models. Because really, this thing was $700. That's a lot. That ain't cheap. Did you even know I was there?
Fully was gonna run into if you didn't just.
You think so?
Yeah, no. Yeah, I think it definitely is because like I was just like paying attention to
Things.
everything. So.
Yeah. So you feel like you the interview went well?
He was like kind of leaving the room and like checking on other stuff. Like
He's busy.
he was very busy at the time,
Yeah.
I guess. So he can like I feel like he wasn't being fully attentive to the actual interview, and he was that guy actually.
Yeah, close to it, and then no one can come close to you.
I guess so. Jeez.
When did we do that?
I don't know. Yeah.
I should have brought my air duster thing too, so I can blow off all the dust. that noise? And the pops. Oh, I can cut right there. There's an opening. So you disconnected the battery, locked all the doors?
Yeah.
Okay. And you said, how did you check your oil?
Yeah.
How is it?
It's good.
It's like
gold.
yeah, because did you do an oil change kind of recent?